Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to connect our Machenike-G3V2 controller to the Switch using Switch Bluetooth mode. Okay, first, put the controller into Switch pairing mode. To do this, hold Y plus home buttons simultaneously. The indicator light will flash rapidly, changing from slow to fast flashing. It's okay. Now turn on your Switch. Select the controller icon. Then choose Change Grip Order. Wait for the controller to connect automatically. Once connected, the controller will vibrate. You'll see our controller appear on the screen. Press A to confirm through our controller. Great. Let's launch a game to test it out. Okay. When connected via Switch Bluetooth mode, the button follows directly our controller. And the button layout matches our standard. If you prefer the Switch layout, you can toggle it by pressing F and A. This swaps the button to match the Switch's layout position. Alright. That's it. This is how you connect via Bluetooth. And if you want to change the button layout, use F and A to switch layouts. Alright, that's all for today.